Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to look for experiences on the trip.com web application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should click on the home button down below and then click on attractions and tours. After that, you should slide to the right side and click on experiences after selecting your destination, either by clicking on the search bar at the top or tapping on this arrow pointing downwards and selecting your city. So click on experiences. Here you can check out all of the experiences available in your selected city. You can also narrow it down by selecting from these categories such as local cuisine or clothing experiences. So you can click on the relevant one that you are interested in, check out the details, and then tap on the book now button if you would like to book it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.